Hello, CSSR champ users. In this video, we're going to take a look at the statement of net position in the end of year financial report. So first off, a few important notes that I think might be helpful. Please use your audit as a guide while filling out this schedule. So the statement of net position should very closely align with your submitted audit. So please reference that as you're filling it out and ensure that they are in alignment. And also please note that the subtotals will calculate automatically after saving. So let's jump into Champ here. So after navigating to your end of year report, which there's a separate video on how to get there. But once you get there, you're going to want to navigate to the statement of net position up here in the right-hand corner. Go ahead and click that, and that will bring you to this schedule. So this should look it looks a bit different, but the line numbers and line item names and line item description should pretty closely match what you may or may not be used to in the old Excel form. There are a few differences. Namely, there is a new category and subcategory column, which is essentially the subtotals for each section. So if you follow that subcategory and category down, you'll find the subtotals for each section. That's really the only difference in terms of formatting. So let's go ahead and enter some data. So as will be the case for all of these schedules, when entering data, the first thing you need to do is enable field editing. And you do that by clicking this button in the right-hand corner up here. Go ahead and click that. And now you can make edits to the schedule. So let's just do a couple entries here. So you're going to click that little pencil icon, and then this field will pop up. Let's just put in some numbers. Click enter, and that will submit it to that field. Let's add another number down here. Click enter. And when you're ready to save, you can save as many times as you want to and then go back and add more, but let's go ahead and save now and see what that looks like. So you'll see that once the save went through, you got that message that says your changes are saved, and then you'll see that the subtotals were calculated automatically. So that's true for every schedule and every section in every schedule. So a couple other notes for this schedule. Please ensure that your total liabilities and net assets, so line 41, please ensure that that is equal to line 23 total assets. If you enter it and they do not enter, you'll end up getting a validation error at submission, but just please keep that in mind when you're filling out this schedule. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.